I've talked to Teacher Chanel and then we got the grades.
Hey, right!
Cyril is the top of the class. Yeah. Yes, what? Oh. So, now we will get inside. Hi, Teacher Chanel.
Hello.
We look at the board kasi nag-iimi si Teacher ng picture eh.
Oo, kaso na. Dalawa pa lang sila ni Maru.
Ay, ang cute naman yun sa ano.
Ipa-dedication sa Cyril eh.
There. This picture is on the board. First. Wow.
And most industrious and most helpful.
Wow, most helpful in that. Sila bang most makulit?
Wala? Mabait.
Ate Misha ang first nila sa ano. Matalino talaga yung bata na yun eh. Kasi sometimes...
Na?
Silent, no! Bawal! Kasi morning pa lang eh. Bye-bye!